Went with SMEC because we were really looking to move toward a complete line of Korean machine tools at a competitive price that has the flexibility and rigidity that our customers need.
Obviously, the goal is to have a SMEC machine in every facility, and we believe that every facility could benefit from having a SMEC machine in it.
So JBM was founded in 1995 through the acquisition of another company, and since then we've steadily expanded into more applications-based sales, and since then we've also expanded territories into Western Pennsylvania and eventually out into Ohio. We really focused on more value-add services for our customers in order to truly partner with them from the machine tool sale all the way to aftermarket service. We went with SMEC because we were really looking to move toward a complete line of Korean machine tools at a competitive price that has the flexibility and rigidity that our customers need. So our core values and our cornerstone of our mission has and always will be service. Our customers' success really is what drives our success, and without them we wouldn't have it. Success looks different to a lot of people. We really measure our success based on our customers' success. Are they up and running? Are they making parts? Are they happy with us? That's where we really strive to define ourselves, is through our customers' success. SMEC's machine tool design, coupled with JBM's core principles, is what can really give us those successful customer partnerships.
So over the years, JBM's been fortunate enough to really work with all sectors when it comes to manufacturing. Specifically, we work with a customer here that's got well over 40 plus of SMEC's machines that are running 24/7, 365 that are fully automated. SMEC is a great fit for really any of the sectors when it comes to manufacturing. As a distributor, we look to partner with machine tool builders that align with our core values, that build a good quality machine, that has the support that's needed in order to keep our customers successful. With that, the foundation that SMEC is built on and the designs of their machine with the solid casting, the 45-degree slant bed, the heavy boxway construction without skimping when it comes to the additional components that are needed to make a good machine tool. SMEC has stayed true to that, which allows us to offer our customers a very good solution that we are proud of and we're confident in. Obviously, the goal is to have a SMEC machine in every facility, and we believe that every facility could benefit from having a SMEC machine in it. However, what I look for, and I think what SMEC brings to the table as a partner, not just a machine tool builder, is, again, looking to stick to their core values, continue to build a good quality machine that is at an attractive price point, while looking to develop the machine tool line moving forward when you think about what the future of manufacturing is. I am Iron Man.
I am Iron Woman.